Oani was blind for the last 10 years.
2009, I blow me a bagarap night. No, me no poki no 1+17, me at bagarap.
And then actually the husband left her because of her blindness, and she was with the family. Yeah, she became very, very dependent on others. And also, by the time the husband left her, they had a child, a small girl, 5 years old. And now the child is about 15 years.
Time was like I was saying the operation, me no operate me and mamas.
Her vision was very low, but the light perception only, with poor projection of light, very poor. So evidently with such findings, I actually advised Oani that outcome will not be that good, because we were not able to see the back of the eye. So I advised her that if she is willing, then she can sign consent for just lens explant. And then while with the cost of surgery, when we remove the lens, we can see we can see the back of the eye, at least the light, the glow from the back. If the glow is good, then we'll go ahead with the lens implant. So yeah, we went ahead with the operations, and after we removed the lens, there was a good glow from the back. So we decided to put the lens in. The eyesight after that was very much improved from just light perception to 660. Yeah, it was great.
Now me looking face blood, family blood, me na me and mamas. Before I'm not got. Since 2009, now me looking face blood. Now me and mamas because beginning blow me and baby it this la to fly blown bagara. Now by me looking beginning blow me na me and mamas. And me alright now send me by wakabat go waswas na helping all again. All been helping me send now by me helping all again. By me go to church, now by me working some flower work, log garden or housework.
In the morning when she came, when we removed the pads from her eyes, the iPad, she had a very big smile on her face. Yeah, and she was, for the first time I can see her, she was really radiant, and she was really smiling away.
Now me and mama so send me by talk thank you lo you plan a big man and have. Claim again make him now me go again. Thank you through.